She's got something down there. I don't know what. It might be. There's an armadillo this year. It might be an armadillo. Sorry for the shaking. She's way across the field. I released some weak birds out here yesterday, hoping they'd fly, so she might actually catch this one. Trying to get them exercise, you know, aerobics. Look at that tail, that's what I'm talking about. Get on her level here. What do you think, guys? Not a lick of training. Oh. Did you catch him? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Poor Moxy hasn't flushed a bird today. That's where I think a lot of trainers make their mistake is they always try to get in there with the dog. They don't let the dog learn by themselves. You know? Sometimes the worst thing you can do for a dog is something. Everybody thinks they have to do something. We make it so difficult. Let the dog learn on their own. Turn it loose. Let them figure it out. Let them learn how to work the woods, work the brush. Let them how to work the birds by themselves. Where in the world she go? Oh, there she is. Boom. Bird must be running. Oh. Oh, there it goes. Oh, she's going to catch that one. Oh, she catch it? Nope. Oh. She's catching this one. I hope y'all saw that bird flush. I really like to take a very hands-off approach to dog training. Set them up to succeed. Let them learn. Let them learn from their mistakes. There's no need for us to teach it when Mother Nature can teach them more than we can. Oh, she caught him. Boom. Alright, thanks guys.